The second thing that we want to consider is the way in which factor levels are determined, right? As we have mentioned that the order levels are, in this case, they are ordered alphanumerical, right? So I went ahead and created this vector which includes the ratings, poor, average, and good. Let's say, for example, we want to use the sample function. We want to randomly select 20 ratings, right? And I'm going to call this ratings, right? The ones that we are going to select. So I'm going to say sample, and I'm going to pass in ratings, and I want to select 20, and I'm going to set replace to be true, right? So we now have to convert by having factor ratings, right? So we are converting the sample of 20 values or sample of 20 ratings, and we are converting them to factor, right? And if we say factor ratings, we are observing that we have selected a sample of 20 ratings from this vector. So from our output, we observe that the way in which R has ordered our levels, it has ordered the levels alphabetical, starting with average, good, and poor, right? But we can observe that there can be a more sensible way or a more meaningful way in which we can order these levels, okay? And to do that, we will use levels arguments. So we want to control the order of the levels of our factors, right? So to do that, we will say factor ratings, and we're going to add this argument, which is levels. And we want to order using ratings. So it means that now the levels are ordered in such a way that we start with poor, average, and good. We pass this vector. And now if we run factor ratings, we observe that we have now ordered the levels of our factors in this manner, which is poor, average, and good.